welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Krishna and I'd be really happy if you would take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. There are many desserts which are curated or infused with strawberries, and one of my favorite is strawberry muffins. So without any further delay, let's get baking. So my oven is preheating at 180 degree and we'll start with our flax eggs. As we are making eggless recipe today, we'll make our egg substitute, that is flax egg. So I am taking ground flax seeds in this bowl and adding 6 tablespoons of water in 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Now mix it and let it sit on the counter for 5 minutes. Now in another bowl we'll take some vegetable oil, which is half cup, and castor sugar 1 cup. We'll mix this thoroughly until the mixture is pale enough. You can take any vegetable oil, just keep in mind that it doesn't have any smell or some pungent taste. Our mixture is pale enough. Now we'll take our flax eggs and add it into this. Also we'll add some vanilla. Now beat this. Now we are adding our last wet ingredient, that is milk, 1 cup in our batter, and mix it properly. Now in another bowl, we will take 3 cup maida and add baking powder in it. Baking powder should be added 4 teaspoons. Mix the dry ingredients. Now we'll take our wet ingredients bowl mixture and then we'll fold in gently our flour into the mixture. Make sure you're using cut and fold method so that you don't knock out the air you have incorporated earlier. Our batter is ready. Now we'll add 1 cup diced strawberries in it and gently fold that into. This particular recipe will give you 16 to 18 muffins, but you can half or double the recipe as per your requirements. Now I have some sliced strawberries which I'll be using for garnishing my cupcakes. They look very pretty when they are baked. Now we'll keep it for baking for at least 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees. After they are baked, let them cool down for some time and then they'll be ready to serve. Like the video, and if you did, smash that like button. Also press the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Bye board bakers!